welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to get rid of hiccups. What you can do is hold your breath for 10 seconds. Or you can breathe into a paper bag. Or you can drink a cold glass of water quickly. Or you can put sugar under your tongue.
Oh no, you forgot to. You forgot to.
Next, you can tickle the top of your mouth with your tongue. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.